the House of a matter of concern for this federation. The President of Pakistan has been elected by all four provincial assemblies and National Assembly and Senate of Pakistan. In the Constitution framework, it is my duty to represent the federation. The most challenging in circumstances when my wife Shaheed Mohtama Benazir Bhutto was assassinated, I was the one who chanted Pakistan Khape for me. For me, Pakistan always comes first. It is therefore my constitutional duty as the President, my personal obligation as a patriotic Pakistani to caution the House and the government that some of your unilateral policies are causing grave strain on the Federation. In particular, the government's unilateral decision to carve out some canals from the Indus River, still despite strong opposition from federating units. Proposal that I, as your President, cannot support. I urge this government to abandon this correct proposal and work together with the stakeholders to come up with a viable, sustainable solution based on unanimous consensus among the federating units. I would like to again invite the attention of the House to fulfill the responsibilities entrusted to this Parliament and play its role in the nation building, strengthening institutions and improving governance. Let us put national interests supreme. Set aside personal and political differences. Let us work together to revive our economy, strengthen our democracy, and uphold the rule of law. Let us strive to build a Pakistan that is just, prosperous, and inclusive. Make the best use of this parliamentary year. Thank you. Pakistan, Zindabad.